Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to make mango jelly. This is very good for selling or for any special occasions. Here are our ingredients: 1 kilo ripe mangoes, 3 pieces 25 gram Mr. Gulaman, 2 packs of 250 ml all-purpose cream, 250 ml evap milk, 390 grams mango condensed, and plastic containers. First off, we need to boil 4 liters of water for our Mr. Gulaman. Waiting for the water to boil, let's mix the 3 packs of Mr. Gulaman powder to 2 cups of water. Once boiling, we can now add the Gulaman mixture. So we will continue stirring for about 3 minutes. After that, we're going to put our mixture into our molders, let it cool before we slice it into small cubes. And while we're waiting for our mixture to cool down, we're now going to prepare and slice our mangoes. So next, we're going to whip the cream for about 15 minutes or until the volume gets doubled. After 15 minutes, we're now going to start adding our evap and our condensed milk. Then we'll continue mixing for about 5 more minutes. After mixing, we may now go back to our jelly and start slicing it into small cubes. After preparing everything, we're now going to mix all of our ingredients: the mangoes, the jelly, and the whipped cream. Lastly, we're now going to transfer our mango jelly to our containers. For this one, I'm using 500 ml round containers. So we're done. Here's our mango jelly. Just serve chilled and enjoy.